not for our fate. We fight to remove all foreign power from our soil.
We are Al-Qatala.
We are the killers. We fight without sorrow. We wage war without sympathy. This is the only way to live and die a true soldier.
Echo 3-1 to Charlie 2 actual.
Go for actual.
LZ is in sight.
Looks like our boys are right on time, Colonel.
Roger 3-1. Hitman teams are locked and loaded for assault. You are green to go.
Colonel, we may have a problem.
Too late, Laswell. We're live.
Not until I say so. Watcher to 3-1, how copy?
Station Chief Laswell, send traffic.
General Barkov has sent a new shipment of chlorine gas to his depot. But his mercs are prepping to move the chems into Urzikstan via convoy tonight. You're still clear to engage, but live fire on Russian military is prohibited. We cannot have an international incident.
No guarantees Russian army won't respond on this case.
Understood, Alex. Just locate the gas, commandeer Barkov's trucks, and get off the exit before the tide turns.
Copy, Watcher. We'll handle it. Let's move.
All Hitman teams push to your set point. Roger,
We need to keep this on a tight loop. Barkov's men are moving the gas tonight.
What are the odds we run into General Barkov? Russian general wouldn't be caught dead out here. Psst, heads up.
Сюда, наверх! Я слышал! За гребнем!
Hearing two. Looking for us. Two mercs, no uniforms.
Я что-то слышу. Сейчас. Эй! Кто здесь? Выйди! Покажись!
Their game. Drop them.
We're clear. Copy. Post up on the ridge and let's get the lay of the land. Echo 3-1 to Blue Viking 5. Call for fire. Stand by for target confirmation.
Copy, 3-1. Viking standing by.
Let's recce the area and make sure there's no Russian army down there. Vehicle coming in the main gate.
One in the tower. Left side high, not army.
Copy. Checkpoint, that's the entry. Vehicle's on the move.
Movement in the rail yard.
That's how the gas comes in. No Russian military presence. Call it in, CIA.
Blue Viking 5, this is Echo 3-1. Troops in the open, south gate. You are cleared hot.
Roger, 3-1. Target acquired. Weapons free in 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Echo 3-1. Good effect on target. Viking is RTB. Good hunting.
Much obliged, Viking. We'll take it from here.
Cut that light off, 3-1. Heads up. Multiple guns on foot. Lights out, Echo. Hold off. Let him approach.
Здесь люди. Найдите их и убейте, иначе генерал убьет нас. Рассредоточиться! Если что увидите, стреляйте!
Smoke him down.
Clear. Force up. Looks like someone was playing with fire.
Serves him right, hawking this chemical shit.
Пожалуйста, помогите!
Put them out of their misery.
Got enemies inside.
Coming your way, Echo.
Мне платят, чтобы я воевал, а не пожары тушил! Если сдохнешь, тебе никто не заплатит!
3-1, making it.
Element of surprise is not on our side, boys. Stay frosty. Stay sharp. We're blind on this breach.
Cut! Stand down!
Got an MG nest on that second deck.
Wake up! Take him out!
Force out! We need to secure the gas before they move it.
They're moving! We need to double down! Cut that! What's in the open? Got one by the barrier! Got a visual! Let's move! Press that MG and push up! They're moving! Got a visual! They're to us out! Yeah, I see him! I'm reloading! One's in the open! Got a target! Press them and close your distance! Grenade! Move! Get moving! No visuals! Keep that MG busy! Grenade out! Watch out! Let's do one! Moving back, great! Got a visual! CIA, get lit on that gun net! By the crate! Let's move! Let's get up behind that gun nest and take that fucker out! Enemies to the north! Yeah, I see him! Got him out in light! Watch his aim point! Movement! Got a target!
MG, down!
Nicely done, CIA! Enemies west of our position! Got runners! They're breaking for the warehouse! Move out! 20 meters out! We're out 20 meters! Reloading! Get moving! Roger that! Clear!
Gas must be inside.
Unless we're too late.
Clear! Clear! Clear!
Chems may be inside. Masks up.
Let's do this. Fuck.
They killed the power.
Go white light. On me.
It's pitch black in here. You hear that? Whoever killed the powers in here, I'm telling you, could have been the airstrike.
Now they're here.
Shit, you see that?
Find him. Contact! He's down.
Got him.
Movement on the catwalk! Got one moving for the south!
All clear. Let's get the power up. Shed some light, find this gas.
Roger, 3-1.
Looking.
On it. Checking for power.
Lights coming on.
Power's up.
Hey! We got a problem. These guys are Russian army.
Spetsnaz.
3-1 to Watcher. Barkov's hired guns or Spetsnaz. We got Russian army KIA. We need to bug out now.
Negative. Command wants mission accomplished on this. Not our choice.
Never is. 3-1 out.
Verify this is what we came for. We'll set the trucks for egress.
Jackpot. PID in the gas.
Solid copy, 3-1. Load up and get back to base.
Roger that. Let's move out.
You would make 3-1. Take shotgun.
All stations, we are Oscar Mike to the RV. Watch your sectors.
Good work, Alex. Rally is the hook point for egress.
Back up!
Watcher to 3-1, how copy? Alex, do you read? Over.
I got you, 3-1. Who the fuck is this?
CD, answer. Mano Russi. Marines. Amitat. Lazim mitarak. Faran. Farakko. Yalla.
Echo 3-1 to Watcher.
Alex, what happened?
Terrorist attack. Multiple Marines KIA. Gas stolen. We need evac now.
Roger. Tracking multiple Russian forces headed your way. Sit tight. We're pushing to you for fast exfil. Watch her out.
This operation is now compartmentalized.
What the hell does that mean?
Means you no longer have clearance, Colonel.
Those are my Marines. We need a QRF in there right now.
That's not advisable.
And that is not your call.
Colonel, Laswell.
General, my men...
Norris, give us a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
We've got a situation. The Kremlin has suspended all deconfliction channels. The Sixth Fleet is pushing into the Black Sea, and chemical weapons are now in the wild. Your fingerprints are all over this, Laswell. Fix it.
General, right now intelligence is our best weapon.
We've tried intelligence. Get me a better weapon.
John.
Laswell.
Where are you?
Occupied.
I've got a problem.
Russians?
Word travels fast. Chemical weapons have fallen into terrorist hands. They could be anywhere. Paris, New York.
London.
When can you brief?
We just did.